Okay.
Good morning everybody and welcome to today's exploration video. We are in a lagoon today. Look at that. Look, where do I bring you? Look at this. We're still in Halkidiki, Greece. And there is a very, very beautiful area here that we will explore right now. So yeah, let's go pack up the drone and let's see what's happening here. All right, big shout out to my best friend Yannis. He's behind the cameras. He's the director of this video today. And yeah, if it's not good, it's his fault. Today is a really beautiful day and I choose to film around midday. It's 12 o'clock exactly on the clock and the sun is vertical. So if you want to do some nice drone shots, always try to have vertical sun because you have no shadows and no reflections in the water. So this is really, really, really good for you. Battery number one. I have not fly today at all. So this is the first flight. Check this boat. It's super cool. So I haven't flew at all today. And yeah, always make sure battery's in. Also here is closed. Let's go. Oh, this sound, I love it. All right, goggles on, remove the protection, remove the sunglasses, very important. I forgot to bring my helipad. Again, I'll put my drone here. Goggles on. Super excited for this one. I'm 100% sure it's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. So you guys are in for a treat, if I'm honest. Whoa. All right, so here we are. I'm going to already start recording and set normal mode. Let's make sure all cameras are set, protected, and guys, let's go. Woo! Look at that. This is exactly what I was talking about. Look at this, dude. This is absolutely gorgeous, man. And yeah, look at that. Wow. It's a beautiful lagoon here in the end of Halkidiki at a place called Faros. You can see the water is absolutely gorgeous, man. There's a lot of people here. We are here again. Here we are. Hello, guys. Wow, look at that. We climbed a small mountain to make it here. And yeah. Opa. All right, let's go. Start exploring. Sport mode. We need to go a bit faster. And we have a very good signal. We are standing very high and we are 40 meters now, flying with 20 kilometers per hour and 70 meters away. I'm trying to adjust a little bit my goggles and look at that, dude. Wow. Look at that. The faster you fly, the more battery you're gonna burn. So be very, very, very wise with your consumption. 92%, and look at that. Look at this. So beautiful. And let's go see that way. I have a small, yeah, I worry a little bit about the trees. There's a lot of trees, and you know what happens when you go close to trees. There's a boat here. We're gonna start being a little bit annoying. I hope they're not gonna shoot us or something. So yeah, there's a boat. I'm going close to this, guys, here. All right, they don't seem to, you see already my signal is getting very low. This is so fucking crazy, dude. Let's go high signal again. Immediately when you see the signal become orange, immediately guys, just go high up because you don't want to lose your drone. All right, so look at that, beautiful. So I would like to go high now, yeah? Let's try to see a little bit around what we have here. Look at that, guys, 200 meters, and we will go high, man. We will go high. Wow, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see the other side of the leg like we did in the last video. If you have not watched it yet, go check it out. We're 400 meters now high. And now you can see the other side. Don't go that high. It is not good. It's not legal, actually. I think it's not legal here in Greece. I don't know. So here we go. Look at that, the lagoon. Beautiful. Ooh, 500 meters up there. Oh wow. Look at the quality of the waters. This is absolutely gorgeous. So let's drop a little bit. Look at that. Holy crap. Beautiful area. Battery, 75%. We're doing good. Of course, if you know, it's time for manual mode. Manual mode. And boom, here we go. Let's fucking drop. Oh, no. I immediately switched into the normal again. I don't know why. Let's go. And let's do some nice FPV shots. Whoa. Try not to lose your drone, of course. We're going fast down. And, not that fast actually. Now we're going almost 100, so whoa. You can hear the drone maybe a little bit. All right, so we need to be very cautious. Whoa, look at that. We don't want to fly close to people, and the trees immediately give us a warning that our signal is super low. So yeah, wow, that sucks. And my finger, if you can see here, my left finger is immediately on the pose. If something goes wrong, immediately I need to fix it, man. You really don't want to lose your drone. In the manual mode, you can go fast and you don't have a drone anymore. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Whoa! There's some shots here, guys. There you go. Fucking beautiful, man. Cool. Let's go to that side. I'll just grab a bit of height here. We're still in manual and we try to get a little bit of height. And always check the battery. Now I'm 50%. Let's go. There's a child thing here. I'm not gonna go over the children. We don't want that to happen. Wow, look at these shots, dude. Don't go too close, people. Please, very important. You don't want to either disturb them, and it's not even allowed, so we should be very, and you see the signal is like a piece of shit, so yeah. It's absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful area, man. Oh, wow. Let's disturb this, friends, here. Whoa. Just a nice backflip. Wow, look at that. Low and slow. 37% battery, guys. It's slowly time to come back home. And yeah, wow, let's get a nice last shot here. Let's do a spin here. Whoa, the wind is, woo! Double backflip, let's go, baby. And yeah, slowly try to land. This was it. I hope you really enjoy this area. It's really cool, man. I really like it. And yeah, sports mode, let's slowly go down. And yeah, we can go manual always, of course, but I did not set my home this time for some reason. So you should never go without setting your home settings. This is a beautiful area. If you ever come close here, come and visit. It's a fucking gorgeous area to fly your drone. And let's see, where are we? Hey, here we are. There you go. Woo! So that was it. Beautiful area. I hope you really liked it. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Tomorrow, a new destination. Yeah, I don't know what to say, man. If you ever come across Halkidiki, come visit this place. And I'll see you next time.
Go.